Hello friends, welcome to today's new sessions. Today's topic name is Java string operations. The most important topics every interviewers ask in interview times. Basically, string is a sequence of characters. It represented as single quote or double quotes, and it used string data types. So that topics we discuss today. So let's start now. First we create the class. The class name is string operation. This is very easy questions, but we cannot solve at interview times. So okay, string name equal to first Mahesh. This is a basic question. System dot out print ln name dot to uppercase. Okay, save. I think some package here. Okay, package string. Okay, done. Save and run. So see, my string is converted into uppercase. Then another is string lowercase. Today we going to basic to advanced. Lowercase. Okay, save and run. The string is converted into lowercase. Okay, then comment this section. Okay, then we take a multiple strings like Mahesh 1 comma Mahesh 2 comma Mahesh 3, and that string is printed in list form like list 1, list 2, list 3. So first I store the string in a character array. Character ch square brackets arrays dot to character array. Sorry, dot to character array. Name dot to character array. Yeah, my name string is stored in a character array. Okay, then use one for loop, then integer I equal to 0 semicolon, I less than ch dot length and I plus plus, then curly braces open. If condition ch of matrix I double equal to single quote comma, then curly braces open, system dot out dot println double quotes, not double quotes, and println, then else statement system dot out dot print character array, then save and run. See, my string is printed in a list form, Mahesh 1, Mahesh 2 and Mahesh 3. So this is the string display in a list form. Then comment this section. Okay, the another one is, suppose my name Mahesh, Maharashtra. This is the string, and then another string question is how to search word in a string. So let's start now. First, scanner is equal to new scanner, then system dot in. It is scanner is used to read the input string from user. Import the package. Okay, then system dot out dot println enter a word. Okay, then string enum equal to sc dot next line. Okay, then condition if first for loop integer I equal to 0 semicolon, I less than name dot length, semicolon, I plus plus, curly braces open, then if name dot contains nm, then system dot out dot println nm plus present in a given string. Okay, semicolon, inside the else statement, otherwise string not found. Okay, save and run. Enter a word, suppose word is from. Okay, I think this is happen. Why? Because for loop is there. So remove this for loop and save again. Okay, after removing for loop, search word from C from present in a given string. So this is the logic of how to search word in a given string. Okay, remove this section. Okay. The next question is how to split a string. Then string str of matrix equal to name dot split semicolon, then system dot out dot println str of matrix 0. Copy. One, two, three, four, more. This is another method to print the word in list form using split function. Array index out of bound exception occur. Next question is how to reverse a string. Then first character ch of matrix equal to name dot to character array. String are stored in a character array. Then default string reverse equal to double quotes semicolon. In for loop integer I equal to ch dot length -1 semicolon I greater than -1 semicolon I minus minus. Then reverse plus equal to character of matrix I semicolon. Then system dot out dot println reverse. Okay, semicolon, save. See, string is reversed successfully. So this is the logic of how to reverse string. Next question is how to check given string is anagram or not. Then string name equal to name dot to lowercase. Okay. String nm1 equal to name dot to lowercase. Okay. Then character ch of matrix equal to nm dot to character array semicolon. Character of ch1 equal to nm1 dot to character array. Okay, if name dot length double equal to name1 dot length, then inside the curly bracket arrays dot sort ch. Okay, then second arrays dot sort ch1. Okay, then compare curly braces system dot out dot println given string anagram, otherwise inside the else statement copy and paste, not anagram. Okay, save and run. See, given string is anagram. That is the logic of how to check given string is anagram or not. Is how to print first character in a word. So string str equal to suppose Mahesh, character ch of matrix equal to str dot to character array in system dot out dot println ch of matrix 0. Okay, my string first character is capital M. Then save and run. See output, first character printed successfully in a given string. So this is the basic string operation and string questions frequently asked in a coding round. So this is the overall string sessions. Thank you for watching this most important video. Happy codings. Please like and subscribe.